how we remanufacture hybrid batteries. Ever wondered what happens to your old hybrid battery once it's replaced? At the Hybrid Geek, we do more than recycle, we remanufacture, giving bad hybrid batteries a new life while reducing waste and saving you money. When we receive your old bad battery, our team fully disassembles it. Every component is inspected. If it doesn't meet our high standards, it's responsibly discarded. Only the best, high-yield parts move forward for revitalization and reuse. The modules are then put through our proprietary reconditioning process, ensuring each battery module meets maximum power and reliability standards. They are tested, reconditioned, and retested before moving forward. A hybrid battery is only as strong as its weakest link. That's why we carefully group and balance the best modules, ensuring consistent, long-lasting performance. We rebuild the pack with revitalized components, upgraded wiring, and corrosion-resistant materials. Every remanufactured battery undergoes a rigorous stress test simulation, replicating real-world driving conditions. A final visual inspection ensures it meets our strict quality standards. Once approved, the battery receives our certification, proving it's remanufactured to perform like new. Choosing remanufactured means saving money while supporting sustainability, the circular economy, and green energy efforts. Why pay thousands more for a new battery when you can get a high-quality, reliable, and affordable alternative backed by our industry-leading warranty? Get back on the road with confidence and choose the Hybrid Geek. Hybrid batteries, engineered by geeks, trusted by drivers. Visit www.thehybridgeek.com to order today.